If you don't like crowded city life but still crave luxury, then Florida's 30A is your next home. Stretching 26 miles along Florida's Gulf Coast, 30A has transformed from a quiet escape to a luxury hotspot. Once a hidden gem, it's now drawing affluent homebuyers from across the nation. Dreamy towns like Rosemary Beach and Seaside offer pristine beaches and classic southern charm. In Rosemary Beach, home prices have soared from $1.1 million in 2019 to a jaw-dropping $3 million today, and the luxury doesn't stop there. Vacation rentals can fetch up to $2,500 a night. The construction boom is real, folks. Kemp Stewart, a luxury rental owner, sees it firsthand. What was once dotted with vacant lots is now booming with luxurious properties. Yet, 30A remains a family favorite, offering breathtaking natural beauty and a place to create lasting memories. So, if you're looking for an idyllic coastal escape with a touch of luxury, 30A awaits you. It's not just a place to visit, it's a place to live.